can tell from the title of this video is going to be a hair review on how I install my own wigs. And the hair I'm going to be reviewing today is Ririhair. I have not looked into the package, but as I already can tell, I'm loving the little bow. It's very elegant and all that stuff. It's like a gift. Like if you want to give somebody a Christmas present, a birthday present, this would be the gift to give. So I'm just gonna unwrap the gift. Oh gosh, y'all seen that lighting? Oh god. I'm just gonna wrap it, and soon as I'm gonna hold it like this so I won't mess up. As soon as I open it, it says thank you, and then it comes with the hair information. It's a 14-inch. It's a bob. The color is natural. The wig density is 150. It's Indian virgin hair, and it's a human hair bob wig. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna open it and get it to this bob. And I believe that, ooh, look what they sent me. They sent children. Hold on. But they also comes with a edge tamer, an edge brush that you want to do your edges with. I already have one, but I have another one now. Thank you, Ririhair. And like I said, this is a brush. I think you use this in the shower or something like that. I really don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. It comes with elastic bands, and then it comes with a wig cap, which I think is the color I like. So now what's left is the wig. And this wig is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as I can tell and see already. And I'm really freaking loving it. This is what the parting looks like. And baby, it's really cute. The inside of the cap looks like this. It's a comb right here, a comb right here, and a comb right here, comb. And that's a big ass comb at the bottom. And it's a big comb at the bottom and adjustable straps. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and cut the lace off on this wig and get to installing it. But I'll come back to install it. Okay guys, I have the wig on, and to be honest, I forgot to tell y'all, this is a Yaki textured type of wig, and these are my favorite textured wig. Cause if you ask me, they feel more natural than the other ones. They look more natural, cause I'm not trying to be stereotypical, but what black girl, you know, walking around with silky hair like that? I've seen it. Now I've seen it, so I want y'all in the comments talking about something. That's racist. No, it's not. I'm not trying to be racist or nothing. But what I am gonna do is make some edges on this wig later on, but not right now though. So I'm really loving this 14-inch bob. For some reason I want to cut it shorter, but I'm not gonna cut it. I'm actually not gonna cut it. I'm gonna leave it the fuck alone and leave it how it is. So what I'm gonna go in and do is hot comb this some more so I can, you know, get the feel of how I want to wear it, get the feel of how I want it to be. So I'm finna just go through and critique it a little bit. Y'all, for some reason I feel like I'm giving y'all fancy vibes from Iggy. Look at my furry shirt. Look at the hair. I love the hair. Look at the hair. Look how it just flows at the bottom. Like, I'm loving it. I'm not gonna glue this wig down, you guys. I don't see myself gluing this wig down, because this is a beginner's wig for real. If you want to just go in, if you want to be honest, a beginner's wig, just put it on, cut the lace off, put it on, you can go about your day. So what I'm going to do is go through, and I'm probably going to add some edges to it a little bit, you know, just to give it a little spice and make it look a little better. Because not saying it don't look better right now, but it don't look as natural as it would look as if I would have had edges on there. Because if it was my real hair, I'm pretty sure I would have did some edges or something. Because the way my head shape, certain hairstyles I can't do. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is how the wig is looking. I realized I don't have to do edges as long as I pull the wig back some. Cause my wig, look, some twisted over there. My wig used to be like down here. I'm gonna glue it just a little bit in that area though. Just in that area. So that's what I'm gonna get into do. Okay guys, this is how my wig turned out, and I am truly in love. If the camera make it look white right here, I don't know why it does that, but I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do the edges on this side because I'm really feeling this look. Like this Yaki texture make it look way more 10 times like, ooh, that's cute. And the 14-inch is very cute. Like if y'all watch any of my videos, I always get the wigs that are like really short, like a 10-inch or something, and I was like, I don't want a 10-inch this time. Like, let me see what the other inch is about, you know what I'm saying? And what I'm doing, I'm just doing my real edges, you know. It just, to me, it gives it more of a natural vibe. Like, that's really cute. And what I did was I just pulled the hair to the back a little bit. I'm gonna go through and you know, not hot comb, but curl the ends just a little bit more to give it that fresh effect. And I'm gonna go in with my comb and, you know, comb it and style it how I want it. Once again, I only glued this middle part down. I did not glue all the rest down. But you guys, this is how my hair turned out. I am truly in love with this wig. So if I was you, I would definitely pick this wig up. Christmas coming up, birthdays coming up, Thanksgiving coming up. I know you don't want to be that cousin looking ugly at Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you get this wig. All the links and stuff will be in the link down below, so you can check that out, prices, all that stuff. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below because we're on the road to 150K. And if you're not from my social media, it'll be up on the screen because everybody else like my social media spot on you. And I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys. Bye.